Today I'm going to show you how to get out of your garage if the power's out, or if the garage door opener is broken, or if that big torsion spring is broken. Stay with us. If you want to learn how to take care of your house, then hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. If for whatever reason you can't get out of your garage, the power's out, the garage door opener is broken, the wall button's broken, there is one fail-safe built into the system, and that's this little red handle right here. This handle is connected to a cord which disconnects the door from the opener, allowing you to get out. No tools required. Just pull it down and disengage, then you'll be able to lift up the opener. It's just that easy. When you need to lock the door back into place, you simply pull it down and move it over, and it'll engage back in. Just like that. That click tells me that it's locked in, and I can verify that because it won't go up now. See you next time.